Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I'll show you how we can customize this feature with double press side key. As you can see currently we can turn on the camera, alright? So if you want to change it you have to go for the settings, then tap on the advanced features, move to the side key, and as you can see we can open different apps. So go here and if you want to link one of these apps with your power key, for example Gmail, you have to tap on it and then simply make this, simply double tap, and that's how we can very fast open this feature, this application, and that's how we can use the feature. So as you can see, it's very simple. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.